Using prepositional phrases to indicate purpose. Make your English more purposeful. Hello, language learners. Today's topic is all about using prepositional phrases to indicate purpose in English. It's a fantastic way to make your language more precise and expressive. Let's jump right in. First, let's quickly revisit what a prepositional phrase is. A prepositional phrase begins with a preposition and ends with a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase. They act like adjectives or adverbs, adding extra detail to your sentences. For example, in the park, or for the cake. Now, let's explore how these phrases can indicate purpose. When we say prepositional phrases for purpose, we're talking about phrases that express why something is done. These phrases often start with prepositions like for, to, in order to, or for the purpose of. Take the sentence, I bought flowers for my mother's birthday. The prepositional phrase, for my mother's birthday, explains the purpose of buying flowers. Isn't that handy? Now, let's go through some more examples to illustrate this. 1. She studies hard to pass the exam. Here, to pass the exam, explains why she is studying hard. 2. They went to the store in order to buy groceries. The phrase, in order to buy groceries, indicates the reason for going to the store. 3. He exercised daily for the purpose of losing weight. Here, for the purpose of losing weight, shows us why he exercises daily. Remember, using prepositional phrases for purpose adds depth and detail to your sentences. It makes your English clearer and more expressive. And that's it, folks. You now understand how to use prepositional phrases to indicate purpose in your English sentences. Try incorporating these into your daily language usage and see the difference it makes. Remember, practice makes perfect. We hope this lesson was helpful, and we can't wait to see you in the next one. Happy learning!